Thutha wa Arutwo makiria ya milioni imwe gukorwo makiamukira maumirira mauma igeranio cia mucio cia KCPE, riu Arutwo acio nimatanyitwo gukorwo makiigira macukuruini ma sekodari kuria gicunji kia namba nene kia aria megukorwo makiigira macukuruini ma national ne Arutwo a imwe.
Boys, those admitted to national schools were 22,051. Girls admitted to our national schools were 20,876. So the total number of boys praised comes to 717,358. The number of girls comes to 682,971. The total, therefore, is 1,400,329.
Arutwo aya matanyitwo gukorwo makiigira macukuruini kiambiriria kia mwaka tukite, guko machogu akiuga ministry yake ni iracemanirie na ihegesha nyingi ni undu wa arutwo aingi kwaga gucagura macukuru maria marendaga, guko cukuru wa Kabianga na Pangani ugicagurwo ni arutwo aria aingi makiria.
Some candidates, despite having high scores, did not make any school choices. A total of 28,052 candidates did not make choices of schools. Among these were 683 candidates from Wanjoi sub-county in Nyandarua and 330 from Kobusiro sub-county in Bungoma County. This situation presented us with a dilemma as we sought to ensure that every candidate was praised that could enable them to continue their education seamlessly.
Thirikari ni thiete na mbere guthinyiriria no muhaka umurutwo akorwo agithoma, guku arutwo aria mena mawathe magitanywo kwamukira kigina kiao kia mathomo kuma kuri thirikari nene.
What that fees structure is, part of your responsibility and your main responsibility as county directors of education and the regional directors is to ensure that no principal levies anything additional. Parents are undergoing difficult financial challenges, and therefore, unless they express approval from my office, which again is not going to be there.
Machogu oroho ni arutite mukana mururu kuri aria othe mari na meshiria ma kuongerera fithi, guku arimu magikomithio ni kwira arutwo magura uniform ingi. Machogu akiuga ti wira wa arimu kuruta mikana eno.
It is not the responsibility of the school principal to buy their uniform, have it in the school, and then when the parents come, they are told this is the uniform, and then this is the amount of money you are supposed to pay. That would amount to conflict. And again, it is not upon him to make some arrangement that Machogu has a shop somewhere, so he's directing parents to go to Machogu's shop.